Do you ever wish you could read more but feel like you just don't have the time or motivation? Trust me, I have been there too. It's hard to get started, especially with so many distractions. But I have discovered a few tips that make reading feel easy and enjoyable, and I think they will work for you too. Let's dive in and turn reading into a habit that you actually look forward to. Number 1, start with audiobooks. Audiobooks can be a game changer when you're trying to start reading habit but feel short on time. They let you enjoy stories or learn something new while you're traveling, cooking, or even working out. Think of it as a way to read with your ears, no matter how busy your day is. You can still dive into a great book. And the best part? If you're just starting with audiobooks, there are plenty of popular platforms that make it easy. Spotify, for example, offers a surprising number of free audiobooks, especially classics, right alongside your music. YouTube is another great option. Many full audiobooks are available for free, covering everything from timeless novels to newer releases. For a more extensive selection, platforms like Audible provide a free trial, and Apple Books or Google Play Books have options that often include deals on popular titles. These well-known platforms let you listen to books wherever you are, making reading even more accessible. Number 2, find the books you actually enjoy. Now this is very important. This might sound obvious, but read what you enjoy. So many people start reading with something everyone is reading or a book that feels like an obligation. Instead, explore genres, go through different types of stories, or read about topics that actually excite you. Whether it's fantasy, thrillers, biographies, or self-help, there is a book out there for everyone. Finding what you love makes reading something you look forward to. Honestly, it's all about enjoying the process. It's not about if everyone is reading a certain type of book and you should also read that. No, find what you like. Number 3, set small, achievable goals. Reading is not a target that should be achieved within a deadline. Start small. You don't need to aim for reading a 300-page novel in one go. Start with just 2 or 5 pages a day. Setting smaller goals makes reading less intimidating and more manageable. Read at your own pace. The key is to keep it easy and manageable, so that reading doesn't feel like a huge time commitment. Think of it as a little break from your day where you can relax by keeping it small. You'll feel accomplished after each session, which can be a big motivator to keep going. Gradually, as this habit becomes more natural, you might find yourself reading more than you planned because you are genuinely interested. Number 4, perfect time to read books. The perfect time to read really depends upon your lifestyle. But there are few key times that can work well for beginners. For many, reading in the morning is a great way to start the day on a calm, focused note before the business begins. Just 10 minutes with your morning coffee can help you ease into a routine and set a positive tone. If mornings feel rushed, try reading during lunch breaks or downtime in the afternoon. It's a nice way to recharge without diving into social media or screens, but for a lot of people, evenings are the sweet spot for reading. After a long day, reading helps you unwind and settle down before the bed, especially if you swap it for screen time. Ultimately, the best time is when you are relaxed and can enjoy the experience without so much of distractions. So experiment with different times to see what fits naturally into your routine. The goal is to make reading feel like a relaxing. Explore short stories or anthologies. Not every book has to be long novel. Anthologies of short stories or essays let you finish something in one sitting, which can be really satisfying and keep the momentum going. It's also a great way to discover new authors without committing to a whole book right away. These 5 tips will make reading feel less like a commitment and more like something you genuinely look forward to. And once you start, who knows where these books will take you? Alright, now it's your turn. Drop a comment below if you are going to try any of these tips, or share your favorite book with me. Let's get this reading journey started together. Hope you like this content and consider subscribing my channel if these contents are useful to you. See you in the next video.